Hi, in front of me is Realme 6i, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Firstly, access settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose fingerprint, face and password, click on set lock screen password and wait 5 seconds. After that, click on continue. Now tap on use a different password type and pick one of the lock methods. Click at the chosen one, enter it and repeat it. If you want to add your fingerprint, click on add and follow the presented instructions. But I don't want to, so I will go with cancel. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!